In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a website open every time in Google Chrome. So let's click on the three dots in the top right corner in Google Chrome and click on Settings. On the left hand side, click on Startup. Click on the option where it says Open a specific page or set of pages. I'm just going to remove these old sites that I had on. Click on the option Add a new page. Let's search for the specific URLs we want to add, then copy the URL and paste it into the site URL box and click on Add. When you've finished adding your URLs, then close Chrome and reopen, and you'll notice all your added sites will open too. And that's basically it.